Hey guys, Joel here, and is this not the most beautiful looking controller you have ever seen? This is the new Xbox Ghost Cipher controller that was just released. When it was announced, I saw it and I thought I have to have this controller. There's something about it. It's the gold accent with the frosted front plate and the grey and white sticks. It's so cool looking. This also has a sister controller that was also released a little while ago in the Cipher lineup, and that is the Sky Cipher controller as well. Now that this one's out, I thought I have to get the Sky Cipher to kind of complete the collection. So I got both of them and I'm going to be unboxing them today, and man, do these look cool together. But without further ado, let's actually get into this thing. Wow, that is sick. Wow. I actually don't think I've ever seen a controller quite like this, except for maybe in like the early 2000s. And even then, this is like nostalgic and modern at the same time. Damn. Wow, I'm struck for words. So I've just put the batteries in. I don't have an Xbox on me to connect to just yet, but just looking over the controller and damn, this is beautiful. The grey, white and gold is just stunning, and it's really hard to see on camera, but it's like really shiny on the inside. And it really helps with like the 3D look overall. I don't usually get excited like this about accessories or gaming accessories, but yeah, this is a instant classic, I reckon. But as for the feeling of the controller, it obviously is an Xbox controller, so it's going to be extremely comfy. A little detail that I've noticed is that on the back here, you've actually got the rubberized grips here, which the normal controllers don't usually have. They usually have some sort of texturized plastic around this area, but on these Ghost Cipher and I'm guessing the Sky Cipher, it has this rubberized texture just here, which just, when it's in your hand, it feels really, really nice. It's sort of the same stuff that is on the Elite controller and the Core controller, and they're a bit more premium, so I'm actually kind of surprised that they've decided to put this onto a less premium controller. But with all that said, let's move over to the Sky Cipher controller and unbox that one. Okay, so let's get into this one. This is the Sky Cipher, and I'm going to be opening it up now. Damn, that is also really, really nice. Let's take it out of the box and have a look. Yeah, wow. This one isn't as translucent as the other one. It's much more muted, or like, I wouldn't say frosted, but it's not as reflective on the inside. So it's not, the inside isn't coming through as much, but it's still very, very pretty. And I'm really a fan of the blue as well, and the metallic-y kind of accents here. They really, really stand out and look quite nice. Okay, so I've just put the batteries in and I'm just looking around the controller now, and yes, this one also does have the rubberized grip on the back, which is really interesting that they've put it on the non-premium controllers. I haven't bought an Xbox controller in quite a while, so I may be wrong about this, but I didn't think that the newer controllers came with this grip. Again, I could be wrong, but it just feels more premium to me. I don't know. Again, this one is the exact same as that one in terms of the feel. It's just super solid, such a good controller, really good design. Honestly, I get why Microsoft has kept this one around for so long. It's just such a solid feeling controller, great for gaming, and I'm actually mainly going to be using this for my Steam Deck, because I've been using a PlayStation controller for my Steam Deck, but the buttons are like confusing the crap out of me because the Steam Deck uses the ABXY and PlayStation uses the X, circle, triangle and square. So I just get super confused switching between the handheld on the Steam Deck and then the PlayStation controller. But Now I am going to be able to sync these up and actually be able to have the Steam Deck match the Xbox, which is literally freaking why I bought them in the first place. So yay for that. Side by side, which one would I prefer? By far the Ghost Cipher. It is just, I don't know, something about it. I'm just in love with this controller. It sounds weird, but this is like, it's like nostalgic or something. I can't put my finger on it. I used to have I think it was called the Luna controller. I'll put it up on the screen, but I got rid of it back in the day, and it was one of the very first Xbox One special edition controllers, and it was just so nice, and it had the same kind of metallic-y gold accent on it. Of course, I had to get rid of it, didn't I? I traded it in for probably a few games or something, and now it's really hard to get your hands on them, so I'm still on the lookout for one of those, but damn, this is like even better than that one, honestly. Yeah, that is the Ghost Cipher and the Sky Cipher. Again, this one's a winner, but they're both really nice looking and they go really well as a solid pair, and also just to collect both of them and maybe even start a new Xbox controller collection if they release more Cipher controllers, because I will definitely be getting every single one of these that Microsoft releases, because yeah, they're just so pretty. Let me know if you're gonna get one of these, and if so, which one are you gonna get, the Sky or the Ghost Cipher? Yeah, that is pretty much it for today, and I will catch you guys in the next one.